Grounded Sock Puppet Theater!
I love the ocean. It's so peaceful and calming. It's my favorite place to be. It reminds me of the oceans in California. Except for the bums and the winos and the drug syringes and all the garbage. Other than that, it's exactly like my favorite beaches.
Hi, Rosie.
Casey, what are you doing here?
You didn't know I was sneaking up on you?
Well, no, of course not.
I thought you were psychic. So are you playing with water?
What do you mean playing with water? I'm just standing here looking out at the ocean and being peaceful.
Oh, you need to learn how to play with water. It's the best. You can stand and let the waves come and they'll never touch you. No, seriously. I'm telling the truth. No, ground yourself.
Oh, no, not this again.
Yes, ground yourself. Sink deep into the sand. No deeper. Not that deep. Okay, now wait, when the water comes, just watch your feet and you'll see the water never touches you. Here comes a wave now.
Casey!
Well, I don't think you did it very well. No, now you have to learn, Casey. No, I'm Casey. You have to learn, Rosie. Remember, you're learning about being psychic. You have to ground yourself deeply. Sink deep into the sand, and the water will never touch you. Try one more time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Look, here comes another wave.
I'm gonna kill you!
Well, at least you can't set me on fire right now. You're too wet.